We got mealworms today.
Mommy,
We've been talking about it for a long time, and I've done some research and then finally just bought it. So we're gonna put that together today. Luke, you want to put the oatmeal in this box?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. And then you pull the bags out. Okay, that looks good. Oops, don't shake it too much. All right, here, throw the bag away. It might be a little more than we need. We only need about an inch or two. Actually, that's okay. Yeah, that's all right. So here's our box. I'm hoping they're alive. It took longer than like a day longer than they expected to ship it. So we'll see. We got it at the Amazon because
Mom, can I do
that was easier. No.
Why?
Because I want to. Oops.
Because you got them?
Yeah. I don't know how to open boxes.
But I do. Hello.
Oh, stop stabbing any wormies. Okay.
Can I see the worms?
So they're in a little bag. I'm kind of afraid to touch it if I scream. That makes sense. Okay, they're in a bag. Oh my goodness, they are. They're alive. Oh, I'm not prepared. Okay, guys. Bag's nice, though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm not prepared. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! I'm so glad they're alive. I'm so also grossed out. I don't know how to get the rest out of this bag. But they're all, yeah, you can see it kind of in there. How they're all
Mom, can I touch one?
in the bag. Yeah, I guess so. People do it all the time. So this is the start of our mini mealworm farm. And
there's a beetle.
yeah, that's good. And hopefully this gives us goodies for our chickens, but we got to get them all growing first.
Mommy.
Yay!
Mealworms.
All the mealworms are loaded into their new home. They are burying themselves in there. We can't decide if we're like okay with it or super grossed out, but the kids are playing in it. There's some beetles that came with it, which is good because we're wanting this to kind of be a little worm farm here.
I like beetle.
And so we want them to have babies so we have more worms. And oh goodness. And this is looking good.
Huh?
I don't know everything yet, but I'm happy to get worms, and I think in a week or two I'll sift through them and feed some to the chickens. Super excited. I think this will be worth it. And worst case, it all ends up chicken food. And I just don't do it again, but I'm hoping to keep this up for a long time here. And apparently it's also a fun thing to play in, which is gross.
Which is beetles.
Beetles, yay! Yay mealworms, yay beetles, yay chicken food. And also, wait. Okay. I like that they're not slimy, at least. I don't think I could handle that. But after you like sift it around, you'll see all the oatmeal start to move because they're all like digging down. How creepy is that? Okay. All right. Fun.